Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review, complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialities. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.